Hello, dear friend. In this video, I'd like to share with you how to produce the plastic long chain zipper. Okay. Whatever you want to produce, number 3, number 5, number 8, number 10, or even number 30, 30. Okay. You need the machines from here. Okay. This drawing, this photo, all machines are for tape making. First, you need to make the tape. Okay. Let's see what machines we need. First, center core producing machine to produce the center core inside the tape. Okay. And then center core warp pin, yaw warp pin. Later, you put the yaw and the center core to tape producing machine. And then after made the zipper tape out, it's the low color. This is has been dyed to be the white color already. Think about this is a low color. Okay, so the low color need to be dyed to different color for match the garment. And then this is the sample testing machine to test the color. Inside has a terracotta cup. Inside very small cup. You can test a different color. And here for this is a bobbin for dyeing machine. Before dyeing, you need to work the zipper tape on this bobbin, and then put the bobbin inside the dyeing machine. For dyeing machine, we have the capacity from 2 kilo until 500 kilo. If you want to make 1,000 kilo, we also can make, but normally customer 500 kilo is very big already. For zipper tape dyeing, if for foreigner customer, normally they just made the tape for their own using, not for selling. So normally they just buy the dyeing machine about for maximum 100 kilo for this one. Okay. Normally they will buy some 2 kilo, 3 kilo, 5 kilo for small testing. And this is the taper ironing. We have two models. One is the case model, which is working with the electricity. And this is the open model, the big better. One is for cooling, one is for heating. And this is normally working well with the steam. Okay. And this is the bobbin the taper for stocking. And this the standard model. This is a wrist carton bobbin model. Normally European customer use this one. Okay, so this is the machines to make the zipper tape first, and this is the raw material to make the zipper tape, the yarn and some other raw material. And for every set machines, we have videos. For example, all these videos are for tape making. For example, we can see
center core making machine, center core rolling machine, zipper taper and nylon zipper bobbin warping machine. This machine we use before dyeing.
Okay, dear friends, if you want to make the plastic long chain zipper, you're welcome to visit our QQ YouTube web and our QQ website or Facebook or Instagram. You can search our QQ plastic zipper machines from this website. Then you will find more detailed video. Or well, you're welcome to contact us. We will send this video to you through WhatsApp or email or other way. Thank you so much for your interest. Thank you.